Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use enhanced AI power tools in macOS 15.1. In macOS 15.1 Sequoia, Apple is rolling out enhanced AI power tools, collectively called Apple Intelligence, that bring new levels of assistance across productivity and organization. The key new features include text-focused tools, like proofreading, rewriting, and summarizing text directly within apps such as Mail, Pages, and Notes. This makes it easier to streamline content creation by refining grammar and tone, or distilling lengthy messages into key points without switching between apps. Additionally, Apple Intelligence enables smart notification handling, ranking alerts based on importance to help reduce distraction and prioritize tasks more effectively. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.